All right, so here we are. I'm back with number 7 from your work for today. Just to explain this a little bit further, and hopefully this should help out as well. Now, if you notice on this problem, this is not in factored form, so you have to factor first. Nothing as it sits will cancel out. This cannot cancel out here. Diagonally, vertically, nothing will cancel out. So what we have to do is notice that this top part actually has factors inside. So let me redraw this up here. Pardon my lines here. But if you factor out this top part, you should see there's a GCF of a 9 inside. So if I take out that 9, which that's not a 9. What is that? Let me try this again. If I take out a 9, if I can get to stop correcting things, there we go. Then you're left with n on the inside plus 9. All right, so top part is factored, and you've got 9n plus 9 there. And I'll just connect this through. Okay, so then the bottom part of the left side here, so this section here is the old style factoring, which becomes, let's see, we're going to have an n plus, I need two numbers that multiply to give me 63, but add to give me 16. So that's going to be an n plus 7. N plus 7. You can see this program is a little bit goofy, but it works. N plus 7, and then an n plus 9. And one of the things you should be looking for is for that top number to cancel out somewhere. And look, it will cancel out. So correct that. And we're going to have these n plus 9s over each other. So that's only the left side being factored. So now in between, we have, let's see, that stops working there, okay. We also have this other side which needs to be factored as well. So you put my multiplication dot here. Oh, that wants to be a pain. All right, so up top here I see a GCF of a 6. And I'm also left with an n plus 7. Okay. There we go, all over this 7n squared. 7n squared. And there we go, my multiplication dot. All right, so now once we have this all factored out, the 9n plus 81 becomes 9 times parentheses n plus 9. The bottom trinomial becomes n plus 7 and n plus 9. This top right side becomes 6 times n plus 7. Again, checking distributing as you go back. And the bottom is 7n squared. Now we're at the time where we can actually cancel and reduce and simplify here. So here we go. I notice n plus 9 and this other n plus 9 are the same, so we can cancel those. Done. This n plus 7 and this n plus 7, I can also cancel those. So now we're left with, I see a 9 here, a 6, and a 7n squared. So for lack of better space, if I multiply these, we've got 54. 54 here. I can actually write my 54. So 54 on top. All over, see the fun of doing this stuff from home, all over 7n squared. And if you look at that answer, nothing else in here will reduce. 54 and 7, there's no GCF there, so we're left with answer D. It's going to be 54 over 7n squared. And that is your answer for number 7. So this problem and the previous problem that I posted should help give you a better idea of what's expected and how you can actually simplify these problems. Thanks, guys.